Hello everyone, welcome back again to this channel. Join me today, let's make banana donuts. And if you enjoy watching this video, please do subscribe, like and share this video. So to make these banana donuts, take out your mixing plate or bowl, then pour in your warm milk, sugar and also your instant active dry yeast. Give it a quick mix, then set it aside. Next, take out another mixing bowl, then peel 2 overripe banana, drop them into your mixing bowl, then go ahead and mash the banana. In case if you don't have masher in your kitchen, you can also use a kitchen fork to mash your banana until it becomes soft. Next, pour in your yeast mixture, then use a spatula to give it a quick stir. So the next step is to add in your flour. So I'm using all-purpose flour for this recipe, and after that add a pinch of salt. Then use your spatula to mix in the flour into the wet ingredient. So after mixing with my spatula for some time, I'm going to switch over to using my hand to continue mixing until I form a dough. Next, I will mix in my butter. Make sure you are using soft and unsalted butter. I'll continue mixing until I mix in the butter into the dough, and after that I'm going to take out the dough and place it on a clean dry surface. Then I'll continue kneading the dough until I form a perfect dough for my donut. Actually, this took me 10 minutes to knead my dough, but if you are using a food processor, it will take less than that. After kneading the dough, I'll form a ball shape with it, transfer back to my bowl, cover and let it rest for about 30 minutes. So 30 minutes later, I'll check on the dough. As you can see, the size of the dough increased. So I'm going to take out the dough, place it on a clean dry surface, then I'll cut the dough into 11 portions. After dividing the dough into smaller portions, take out one portion of the dough and form a ball shape with it. And after making a ball shape with the dough, press the dough down with your palm to create a donut shape. You can use this method if you don't have a donut cutter at home. And after that, use a small container cover to make a hole in the middle. Repeat the same process until you finish everything. So next, arrange the donuts on a floured baking tray and cover with a kitchen towel. Let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes later, place your frying pan on the heat. Add some vegetable oil, then allow it to heat up enough for frying the donut. After that, start dropping in the donut into the hot oil. Make sure you fry your donut on a medium heat. Fry the donut until it turns golden brown, and after that, flip the other side and let it fry until it turns golden brown. Once you are done frying your donut, use a strainer or you can also use a chopping stick to take your donut off the heat. And after that, repeat the same process with the rest of the donut until you finish frying everything. So my amazing viewers, this is what my banana donut looks like after I'm done frying it. If you enjoy watching this video and you like this recipe, you can also try it at home. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe after watching this video. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. See you all on my next video.